I'm Tom from Do It Yourself Home Automation, and this is a look at this Jelly Belly gift box. And I'm kind of obsessed with this thing. Quick note here, there's actually more jelly beans in this when you buy it. I've just been eating them for the last several days, so you can see I've eaten most of the flavors that I like the best. But this is a little gift box, and it's got these individual compartments. And each compartment in here has a different flavor of Jelly Belly jelly beans. And you can see there's a ton of different flavors. You get this variety. And I love, though, that they're not all mixed together. They're these individual little compartments with each individual flavor. And it's nice because you can basically just kind of graze on this throughout the day, walking over, grabbing one that you like, trying different flavors, trying them in combination with each other. And I really love that it's got this colorful kind of look to it. And I think it would make a great gift for that reason, too. I've just been having this here, and again, I love Jelly Belly, so just going through and grabbing beans as I want, but just very colorful, and I think, again, make a great gift set. The top comes off, and you can just eat and then put the top back on it. You can see there's some flavors like raspberry here that I like the best. There's other flavors that I don't like as much, some of these kind of stranger ones. But again, you get this wonderful variety of different kinds of beans. You can find your favorites, eat those, and again, make combos and that kind of thing. So I think this is just a great thing to have for yourself, a gift for yourself if you like Jelly Bellies, and also would make a really great gift box, again, because it is just so vibrant and there's so much variety here to choose from.